If you want to start crypto trading or forex trading, or you are looking for a trusted broker where you can do your trading, I highly recommend you join Exness. Exness is a very trusted broker where you can do your forex trading. One amazing part of this platform is that the withdrawal process is very simple and fast. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register an account on Exness and also show you how to deposit money in your Exness account. So let's get started. For you to sign up on Exness broker, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you directly to this page. So once you land on this page, go ahead and click the register button right here. Once you click the register button, it is going to open the registration page for you, as you can see right here. Once you are on this page, from this first one, select your country from this drop down. Right? If you are from Nigeria, you select Nigeria. Right? If you are from other countries, just search for your country here. So just search for your country and you select it. Then you enter your email address right here. Then you enter your password right here. And before you enter your password, make sure you read this instruction. Your password must be up to 8 to 15 characters and it must have at least one uppercase and one lowercase letter. And again, it must have at least one number, right? And again, it must have at least one special character, right? So if you are choosing your password, make sure that you meet all these criteria right here. So I'm going to enter my details right now and I'm going to click continue right here to continue the registration process. So I have entered all my details. I am going to click continue to continue this registration process. Make sure you check this box if it is not already checked, right? Then you click continue to proceed. So once you click continue, it is going to tell you to confirm that you are not a robot. So all you need to do is to check this box right here. So let's do it together. Then you solve this captcha right here. Once you finish your registration, it is going to tell you to choose between a demo account and a real account. But don't worry, if you don't make any selection, it is going to redirect you to your dashboard automatically. And once you create an account on Exness, you are going to have both a demo account and a real account. So with this demo account, as you can see here, you can use this demo account to practice on this platform. You are going to get 10,000 USD to practice on this platform. If you are ready to start trading with your real money, you can go ahead and click on this demo. Once you click on it, you can now choose real account right here. So once you click on this real account, it is going to open your real account. For you to deposit money in your Exness account, just click on deposit here. Once you click on deposit, allow it to open. Remember, before you deposit money in your Exness account, make sure you turn on the real account. Make sure you are not depositing under the demo account, right? So you need to verify your contact details. You need to click on get started now. Once you click on get started, follow the steps and verify your contact details. So once you have verified your contact details, you can now go back to the deposit section and deposit money in your account using any preferred payment method. So this is exactly how to register on Exness broker and also how to deposit money in your Exness broker account. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos and tutorials like this, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. If you have not registered on Exness, the link to register is in the video description. Go down to the video description, click the first link in the video description and create your Exness account today.